Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the features of the 2024 Upgrade Winter Pool Cover, designed specifically for above-ground pools up to 18 feet round. This cover is not just any pool cover, it's crafted with an extra 2-foot overlap to ensure complete coverage, made from a heavy-duty 18 by 20 scrim count polyethylene with a density of 200 GSM, perfect for withstanding harsh winter conditions and high temperatures alike. Installation is a breeze, thanks to the included clear instructions, heavy-duty cable, and tightening winch, all secured by rip-proof metal grommets for a snug and reliable fit. Its universal compatibility means it can also protect round trampolines, fountains, and other outdoor furniture, making it a versatile addition to your outdoor essentials. Plus, with a focus on customer satisfaction, the product comes with reliable after-sales service to assist with any issues you might encounter. So, if you're looking to keep your pool intact and ready for use when the warmer months roll around, this premium PE cold and UV-resistant pool cover might just be the perfect solution. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more product insights. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.